everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Before we get started on today's unboxing, I just want to let you all know that my 5,000 subscriber giveaway is now live. If you missed that video, I will leave a link down below. Definitely make sure to enter and watch that video to see all of the goodies. I think it's my biggest giveaway yet. It's a big thank you to you, my subscribers. I love you guys. But anyways, let's get back to the unboxing. So we are opening the Petit Vour for June 2019. I think this actually might be the most excited I've been to open this box. If you do not know, I recently decided to become cruelty-free. And Petit Vour is a totally cruelty-free, vegan, like natural, toxin-free box. And it costs $18 a month. When I first subscribed, I did find a promo code online that saved me about like $3 or $4. So I will leave all that information down below. Hopefully it still works. So if you like what you see, definitely use the link and promo code down below. I think it's like another YouTuber's promo code, so it might like help them out a little bit, but I don't see any problem with that. But anyways, let's get unboxing and see what beauty products we got this month. When I open it up, this is what I see. There's a pretty card on top. It looks like there's like a face and a hand. And then inside here, there'll be like a little note about the June box along with information on the products as well as pricing. So it says the June 2019 beauty box. Hello summer. This month's box is all about beating the heat, featuring a mattifying primer that sits perfectly under makeup, a balancing gel moisturizer that deep cleanses your pores, and prevents breakouts, a body wipe ideal for post-activity refresh, and eyeliner you'll love for those summer nights out, and a non-invasive line smoothing serum to prevent sun-induced signs of aging. It says the creme de la cruelty-free. Petit Vour is the premier destination for the cruelty-free beauty and lifestyle. Every beautiful thing in your Petit Vour box is expert vetted and free of animal testing, animal ingredients, and harmful toxins for the easiest transition to cruelty-free beauty. So that is why I am in love with this box. I can't wait to see what we got this month, so let's dive in. The first thing I see, this is by Uni, is that how you say the brand? I believe so. Uni Shower Sheets, large body wipe, instantly cleanses, refreshes, and deodorizes. So I think this is that like body wipe they were talking about. On the back it says shower sheets. No time, no shower, no worries. Tear open this oversized, super soft, moist wipe to instantly cleanse and refresh every inch of your skin. Perfect for on-the-go cleansing, travel, yoga, surfing, camping, hiking, festival going with natural purifying neem extract, peppermint, and citrus, alcohol-free. And then it says, feel good. Each biodegradable wipe is individually wrapped for freshness and portability, made with natural skin-loving ingredients, all natural aroma, tested on lucky humans, never on animals. Awesome. So this sheet is $1, so that's a good price too. I love things like this. Like I love like cloths and stuff for my face, but having it for your body during the summertime is pretty genius, especially for people that go to festivals. I can't do that. I can't do the whole camping thing. Maybe glamping, I've talked about that before. I think I could maybe handle some glamping, but if I was to go camping or something like that, somewhere where there weren't really like showers readily available, this would be so handy. I think this would be great to like bring to the beach and stuff like that too. And on here, like I said, it says it's $1 and it says oversized and super soft. This on-the-go wipe cleanses and refreshes every inch of your skin. So awesome, I'm excited to try that. Let's move on to the next item. So this is by Fior Minerals Defined Lined 100% Natural Organic Vegan Eyeliner, Color plus Skincare in one. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, and then you can see there's like the symbols on there. Says it's vegan, cruelty-free, or 100% organic. And then there's no like dye, gluten, GMO, soy, talc, chemicals, nanoparticles, parabens, or fragrance. All the bad stuff is out of here. So this is in brown sugar. I always appreciate getting an eyeliner in my boxes that is not black, because we get have gotten a lot of black eyeliners in beauty boxes over the years. So let's see. This is definitely a full size. So here is the outer packaging. Let's look at the actual product. So this is what it looks like. Brown sugar. I'm excited to try this. Ooh, it went on well. I don't think I have any brown liners like this right now, and I think brown is actually perfect for my skin tone and everything and my hair color. And it looks like oh, what's on the back? I think this is sharp. You have to sharpen it. I don't know. I like pulled something off the back, but I don't know what that is. I don't think I was supposed to do that. It's not like broken or anything like that. Maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, I have a sharpener, so that's not a problem at all. And let's read more about it. So, Fiora Minerals Organic Eyeliner. This is $18. It says, created for sensitive eyes, this antioxidant infused eyeliner is perfect for tight lining or a smoky look. And again, that is what it looks like. I am definitely excited to try this out. Ooh, we've got something in here by Pacifica. I like this brand. You can actually find Pacifica products at Target, so that's super cool. It says Pacifica Natural Minerals Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer, Pre-Makeup Oil Control plus Wild Cherry Extract. It's silicone-free, 100% vegan, and cruelty-free. And the packaging is super cute. And I am all about primers. I love trying new primers and like foundations and like combinations of the two to see what works best. So it says, don't have a makeup meltdown. This lightweight mattifying primer is a support system for your skin, delivering a blurred focus finish with oil control benefits so you can keep it together all day or at least look like you are. This is for all skin types. It says to shake well before you use it. Apply to clean skin and blend in a circular motion. Let's see what this looks like. I think there's a safety seal, so let me take that off. Hi, Emmy. You guys, Emmy just came in. Come here, baby. Want to say hi? Hi, baby. No, none of my cats really like to be held. It's kind of a bummer, but alright. So I took that off. Let's put a little bit on my hand. And this is definitely a full-size item too. I feel like in the past, we haven't really gotten too many like full-size items in Petit Vour, so that is awesome. So this comes out white. Let's see. I can't really tell if there's a scent, but when you blend it in, it definitely fades away. The white does not stay, or does not leave a white cast, and it does seem mattifying. You guys can't really tell, but I'll have to definitely use this on my face and let you know how it is, but let's see how much this baby costs. So the Pacifica Beauty Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer is $13. It says apply this lightweight primer before makeup for a blurred focus finish with oil control benefits. I cannot wait to try this out. I definitely need some oil control in this hot weather. I think the high today is like 100 degrees. Alright, let's move on to the next item. This is by Goldfaden MD Problem Deep Lines Needleless Line Smoothing Concentrate. It says apply 1 to 2 drops on clean skin to targeted areas of concern like forehead, crow's feet, or mouth. I have some lines on my forehead that really bother me, so I am super excited to try this out. So the Goldfaden MD Needleless is $19. It says a line smoothing, skin plumping, non-invasive serum that reduces the appearance of fine line depth. And since you only need 1 to 2 drops, like this looks small, but this will last a while. I've had products like this in the past, so I'm pretty sure this will last a long time, and yeah, I hope it works because those lines on my forehead are starting to really bug me. Alright, next up is another item by Goldfaden MD. This is for problematic and congested skin. Another issue I have all around here. I break out and stuff. It's like wrinkles and acne. How unfair. But it says this is Detox Hydrating Gel BHA Skin Balancing Moisturizer. So that's what it looks like. And it says this is a Goldfaden MD Detox Hydrating Gel, and it is $10. An oil-free skin balancing moisturizer created with beta-hydroxy acid to help prevent future breakouts. I'm super excited to try this. I'm excited about everything. I think that is all the items. Yeah, this is a really good box, I think, this month. So it usually is more skincare heavy, if you haven't seen any of my unboxing of this before. But I'm really excited to try something that both helps fine lines and acne, like my two skin concerns. And a mattifying oil controlling primer by Pacifica. Yes, please, that sounds awesome. And I'm really excited that we got an eyeliner that is not just your typical black, and it seems pretty awesome. This is definitely full size. And this Yumi like shower sheet will definitely come in handy one day. I'll probably keep this in my bag for an unexpected time when I'm needing this. So I am going to grab my phone and calculate the total cost of it. They say that it should be between like $40 and $60. I think last month was like $70 though, but let's see what the cost is. One sec. Alright, so the total value I calculated to be $52 and I paid $18, so I think that was good value because I'm actually going to use all of these items. I'm really excited about it. And I didn't mention in the beginning of my video, but this does ship worldwide, which is another great thing about this box. And it's not too much more either. You know how sometimes, well, you international people, you definitely know, but I've heard from you that sometimes the subscription boxes that are shipped to you can cost like more than double the box cost itself for shipping. But I think for them it's like I pay $18, but I think like international it might be like $25 a month. But anyways, I will leave the link in the promo code down below so you can check that out for yourself and see how much it costs in your neck of the woods. Hopefully not too much, but I am very happy with this. I definitely think me being cruelty-free now is making me even more excited about this box. But yeah, anyways, if you guys know of any other like cruelty-free beauty boxes that you recommend, please let me know. I would love to try more out on our channel, so leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions or recommendations. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me today. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!